This is the problem number 8, which is first statement is let V be a non-zero vector, then the set S consists of V is linearly independent. Second is let a set S consists of V1, V2, then the given set S is linearly dependent if and only if V1 and V2 are multiples of each other. We need to find out the correct statement, which is A is correct, B is incorrect, A is incorrect, B is correct, both are correct or both are incorrect. You can pause the video for some time and try to solve the question. Now starting with the first statement, let V be a non-zero vector, then the set S consists of V is linearly independent. So given we have a set consists of V, and we know for any set S to be linearly independent, the linear combination of all the vectors of set S must vanishes if and only if all the coefficients are equal to 0. Otherwise the set is said to be linearly dependent. For any set to be linearly independent, linear combination of all vectors of set should be 0 if and only if all the coefficients are 0. And hence taking the linear combination of vector of set S, which is C into V equal to 0, because S consists of V only. Now we know that V is a non-zero vector which is given, and hence for this equation to satisfy, C must be equal to 0. Which means the linear combination vanishes when all the coefficients are equal to 0, and hence set S is linearly independent set, which means the first statement is correct. Now the second statement is let a set S consist of V1, V2, then the set S is linearly dependent if and only if V1 and V2 are multiples of each other. So given set S consists of V1, V2, now for set S to be linearly dependent, the linear combination must be equal to 0 and all the coefficients should not be equal to 0. Either C1 is not equal to 0 or C2 is not equal to 0, or both are not equal to 0. Okay. Now if we see V1, if we find V1, then V1 is equal to C2 minus C2 by C1 into V2, where C1 should not be equal to 0. Or if we find V2 from here, we'll get V2 equal to minus C1 by C2 into V1. Here C2 should not be equal to 0. Which means S is linearly dependent if and only if V1 and V2 are multiples of each other. Hence the set S is linearly dependent if and only if V1 and V2 are multiples of each other. Which means the second statement is also correct. First is also correct, second is also correct, and the correct statement is. Thank you.